Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a Veet formula made for sensitive or intimate skin because the skin down there is thinner and more reactive. Once chosen, perform a patch test on the inner thigh and wait 24 hours. This checks for irritation. Trim hair to roughly 0. 1 cm so the cream works evenly. Make sure the area is clean and dry. Don't shower or apply lotions beforehand. This setup reduces chemical exposure and improves product performance for safer, predictable results. You apply a thin, even layer of Veet over the hair using the supplied spatula, making sure you coat hair but avoid rubbing into the skin. Once applied, leave the cream exposed. Do not cover with bandages or clothing, and set a timer. Most intimate formulas require 3 to 6 minutes. This window dissolves hair without prolonged chemical contact. If hair is partially removed, you can reapply only as directed, but never exceed the total contact time. To prevent burns or irritation, you remove the cream by gently scraping with the spatula against hair growth. Once most residue is gone, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until skin feels clean. Pat the area dry, do not rub, and apply a fragrance-free, alcohol-free soothing balm to restore the skin barrier. If you notice stinging or redness, rinse again and avoid hot baths or tight clothing for 48 hours. If severe burning, blistering, or swelling occurs, stop use and seek medical advice promptly to prevent complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.